Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Cameron and welcome. So in today's video, we are gonna do our little unboxing. I know it's probably like way too late for some people, but hey, we're doing it now. I have had these boxes like probably for like a week and a half, and I just thought, why not do this little unboxing real quick now? So I have, of course, oh, that's the wrong side. I have, of course, the Jeffree Star mystery box here. This is the, I'm not sure. I think this is the premium, and then this one is the deluxe here. You can't really see the pink one. And yeah, so I guess we're just gonna go ahead and open it, and I'll probably like do a little like list of like, or not a list, like maybe like the total price of it and the amount that is. So yeah, we'll first begin with the green one here, which is the premium. And this one doesn't have like any like shirt options or like size options, I guess you can say. And this one I think was 60 bucks. So we're gonna go ahead and open her up. All right, so opening it up here, it's just got the packaging, the paperwork, and the whatever. So first thing is going to be, I'm gonna set this aside here, is going to be this beanie. Let me see if you can open it. She's cute, she's a little pink. Why with the pink? I don't really wear beanies, so we'll see. I feel like I look like a crazy person. But that's what the beanie looks like. She's cute, she's white, she's got a little pink little puff ball, and it says Jeffree Star on it. And yeah, so I'm gonna look on the website, see if there's even beanies available. I'm just trying to see if there's anything similar on the website for this. We're just gonna go ahead and go to our next thing as I'm scrolling. So the next thing is going to be the straws. I love these straws actually, so it's kind of nice. I get some extra ones now. These are the green ones. So I'll just open them. That is what they look like. It comes with 4 straws, a straight one, 3 curved ones, and a little cleaner. Okay, come on. Show me like a beanie. So I'm not sure how much. I think these are like, oh, it's actually right here. So this is $19.99. So just the straws by themselves are $19.99. And I don't see any beanies on the website, but I do see like the little like trucker hats, or the regular, not trucker hats, but like they're called like dad hats. And those say 25, so I'm kind of guessing that a beanie might be the same price. All right, the next thing is going to be, I don't know what this is. Is this gonna be the conspiracy palette? I already have it, so I mean, you already know it is. I got it right here. So it's Miss Conspiracy here. And of course the palette, I don't even know how much the palette is. Let's see, eyes, palettes. And the palette itself is $52. Next thing is going to be a gloss, and this is in the shade Spank Me. I don't think I have this one. Come on, probably. These are like the worst to get out too. Oh, that's pretty. So we'll do like our little swatches here. That's Spank Me. That's like a really like hot pink. The only one that I have maybe similar sort of shade is this one, but this is like more of a purple and this is pink. So we are going to, I love the smell of this. Do our little swatch here. That's really nice. Bright pink. And the gloss, I think they're 18, right? Lips, the gloss. The gloss is, yeah, $18. And then last but not least is Celebrity Skin. I don't think I have this one. We'll see. This is going to be a Velour Liquid Lips in Lipstick and Celebrity Skin. Once again, I'm gonna see if I have it. Okay, I'm back. So I do have it. It's actually right here. So this is mine and this is the new one. So maybe I'll just set these aside and I'll give it to like my sister or something, or, you know, who knows. So this is Celebrity Skin. We'll just shake her up a little bit and then do a little swatch right here. Right there. That's Celebrity Skin, and this is also $18. So, so out of all of everything in this box, I think this box was 60 bucks. So this one was 60 bucks, and total I'm gonna keep probably 4 things. I'm not gonna keep the palette, and I'm not gonna keep the celebrity skin, this one, the one that's not used. And I'll probably give it to my sister or give it to, I don't know, someone if they want that. So that's, here's the hat again, the palette, the lipstick, the hot pink gloss, and these straws, and the total for all of this, give me 1 second, I'm gonna go calculate it. All right, so I just sort of looked at the website, and the total amount for like the box, $128, and so everything calculated, added up from the box, minusing the hat because I don't really know how much the hat is. I'm just sort of guessing that it's either 25. Adding all the items up that I know the prices would be $107.99. So if you minus that from the $128, the hat would be $20 basically, and it's 1 cent. So that's how you go. So basically you're getting a pretty good amount, a deal for everything that you're getting from, that's the first box. I'm gonna go ahead and do the next box if I didn't confuse you already. All right, so then here is the big mama here, and I got this in, I think, a large, because I'm a large. Yeah, this is the deluxe in a large. If you can't see, it's there. So we're gonna go ahead and open this one up. All right, so here we are with this one. So right off the bat, just opening her up, looks like we have maybe a t-shirt, I'm not sure. A t-shirt to go with my hat. Oh, it's a long sleeve shirt. So that's cute. There she is. She's got a big, what is that thing called? I forgot what that's called. That's cute. And then it has some little details here. So that is the first thing. Okay, so I'm looking on the website now just to see how much the shirt might be. Just calculating how much, I guess, a long sleeve one of Jeffree's shirts would be. So let's see. Okay, so looking at the website, there's not any t-shirts that are long sleeve shirts. There's only t-shirts and sweaters. So if you're looking at a t-shirt, it's probably like 30 bucks, or I think I bought a t-shirt from, well, I have a t-shirt, it's 25. So the t-shirt, we'll see at the end how much the shirt is. That's a question mark. And then next thing is going to be this guy right here. So that's cool. The whole little collection. Oh, they're all like all jumbled up in here. Okay. So here is one of the things that came in this box. So this is the full, what is this? The Shane Jeffree Velour Liquid Lipstick Pig Bundle. And just seeing this goes for 90 bucks on the website, but right now you can get it for a deal of 63. So here is that. So we'll just say it's 90 bucks. Next thing is going to be, ooh, a velvet trap. And this is in watermelon soda. To go with my little collection, I have 2 up there. Oh, she's so pretty. So we'll do a swatch here. There is watermelon soda, and I think these are also 18 as well. Let me see if I can go. Okay, so velvet traps are $18. Next thing is going to be the gloss. One of them here. Yeah, there's only one. So a gloss, and this one is in Mouthful. I'm trying to see which one I have. I have Pretzel Drip. So this one is Mouthful. And this is from the Orgy collection. And this is also $18. So this here is this gloss. It's kind of like a nude sort of shade. So we're gonna do a swatch here. It's kind of like subtle. Just put it on now. Yeah, you can't really see that one is there, but this is a kind of like a good little everyday gloss. So there is that. That's $18 as well. Next thing is going to be Unicorn Blood, which I think I also have as well. And then Gemini. I don't have Gemini. So this is going to be a liquid, what the hell is this called? A velour. I hate the packaging. What the hell is this called? It's a goddamn lip pencil. I forgot what the velour lip liners, duh. And this is in Gemini. So we'll do a swatch. Right there. There she is. She's like a brownish color. And I believe these are also, yeah, these are $16. 16. And then this is Unicorn Blood, which I think I have, maybe this one. Yeah, Unicorn Blood here. So then this one will be my little giveaway. So here she is. Cute. And this is also 18. And then last but not least is this Orgy palette here. I got her right there. And let me see how much she is. The Orgy eyeshadow palette is $62, so 62. And I believe that is it. So I'm gonna go ahead and tally all this up and I'll be back to tell you how much this t-shirt should be. Okay, I'm back. So the shirt should be at least $28 or 30 bucks if you want to sort of round it up. Just looking at everything that was included and not including this shirt, everything was $222, like the total. And then with the shirt concluded would be $28 to equal up to the $250. So that is gonna be it for today's video. I know it's so sad I didn't do a makeup on it, but yeah, just kind of wanted to get this in and get it out. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.